In this video I'm going to show you how to make Greek yogurt pancakes. Hey guys, my nickname is Czechflash and this channel is dedicated to make healthy foods taste incredible. On this channel you will find light and up comfort foods, dinner meal ideas and mind-blowing sweets. So if you are new here, be sure to subscribe. Rumor has it, for every new subscriber, baby Charmander is born. All you need for these pancakes is 1 cup of oats, half cup of plain Greek yogurt, 2 eggs, half teaspoon of baking soda, little bit of salt. This is optional. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of coconut flakes. And now mix it all together with food processor. Hey, at any point in this video check out the link below for my playlist with other pancakes videos. Okay, the butter is mixed enough. Now I'm going to finish the pancakes. I managed to make 5 pancakes. They are done and delicious. Question of the day: what is your favorite type of pancakes? Let me know in the comment section below. Also in section below you will find all the instruction ingredients how to make these pancakes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, leave me a comment below. Until the next time, have a great day.